Thanks for trading this morning. I seen a trade on GBP early this morning. Just set and forget. I was risking a 0.5% for a 1%. There's my notes that I have. I started taking notes now just to make sure I keep track of all my trades. And the reason I entered this trade was because of support zone, the 1 hour and the 2 hour, and my entry was on the 15-minute candle break. I risked a 0.5% for 1%. So let's just go ahead and open up this and see what's going on with this trade. Was also in the process of still editing my new YouTube video, so you probably want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I got a couple of bangers coming out. I ain't gonna go into details of this, but we got a banger coming out, just know that. All right, so let's check out and see what's going on with the GBP trade really quick. So far we're looking good. Okay, so this is what I seen on this trade. Obviously I noticed that price acted as a resistance over here and acted as a support. There's no support, there's support. So in my mind, this is a support. This is a strong level of support. Bounce, came back again, and it came once more. And I entered on the and it's very clear on the 2 hour as well. You guys can clearly see that on the 2 hour. It's pretty valid. I caught my entry on the 15-minute candle break. I waited for price to break this candlestick, and I just had to make sure my MT4 was set up perfectly over here. See, open up my MT4 really quick. This is my FTMO phase 1. There it is. Yeah, like I said, I enter here. My stop loss is 0.5%. Currently floating at 596. My take profit is up here. But based on this trade, I'm gonna move my trades at break even. It's a risk-free trade. Move it right here. I'll move all these right there. Copy. I got that one here. Control V, modify. All right, and I gotta modify this one. Control V. So now this is a risk-free trade. The worst that could happen is $15. I'm willing to take the loss of the 0.5%. I'm risking 500 to get my 1,000. And like I said, once all my trades break above here, I'm gonna leave a runner. But 2 of them will close out. I'm gonna leave a runner, and this is gonna be my stop loss, like right up in this area and whatnot. So currently, this is what the trade looked like. This is such a beautiful trade setup that I did see this morning. I was looking at NAS this morning too. I didn't trade NAS, but this is what I anticipated was gonna happen with NAS. NAS had a NAS, my bad. All right, NAS had this 4 hour demand supply, and I thought that price was gonna come here and give me an entry, but it didn't. And on top of that, I'm not really good when it comes to trading the market at the open, so I just like, man, forget that. The GBP trade definitely looked the most cleanest, and right now I'm floating 0.7%. And like I said, my stop loss is at break even. I'm willing to take the L, and I need to win. I need the 1%, and I'm gonna be done. So this is my GBP trade breakdown. So I got my wifey behind me. She knocked out. She sleeps. She does not feel well. She didn't trade at all this morning. I'm the only one that traded this morning. You okay, my love? She's so. Like I said, I am editing my new YouTube videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you probably want to do that because I do have a major banger getting ready to come out. Actually, this video gonna be out by the time this current video is released. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted and updated with this trade. I'm not sure when it's gonna hit my take profit or my stop loss, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So I'm gonna see you guys later. You did. Yeah, I'm telling you, babe, I'm telling you. Okay, you guys, today is Saturday, March the 11th, 2023. And before I get straight into what's going on, I just want to let you guys know that I already documented, as you guys can actually see, on what happened on Monday when it comes to trading on my 100K challenge. Unfortunately, a lot has happened since that day. Before I even continue, I want to make sure I show you guys on the screen exactly what took place. Okay, so right here, I'm looking at my FTMO metrics, and as you guys can see, I did start off okay with a good like 9%, 0.9%, and then from there, I just went straight to hell. Like literally on my charts creating lower lows and lower highs. So as you guys can see on Monday, my trade was GBP JPY. You guys seen what I did. It was beautiful. I took that trade and I left. However, the next day, I took my 1% loss. I risked 1% for like 2%. I felt it, and I just started dealing with FOMO, and I just started overtrading. As you guys can see on Monday, I took 3 trades. Tuesday, I took 5. Wednesday, I took an outstanding, like ridiculous 79 trades. I know you might be like, dang, how did you take 79 trades? I was completely greedy. I was just completely greedy, and I was not able to get out the market. Like it was like I was battling with two inner demons. And then Thursday, I took 14 trades. And right here it says Friday, I took 2 trades. And I know I didn't take any type of trades on Friday because my girl got on my ass about placing so many trades. Right now, my average profit is 203. At first, this was a lot higher than this number. But because of me overtrading, it just didn't make any sense where I was at. I took a total of 103 trades at the time. I said I want to take like 1 trade a day, which would be like three trades and leave a runner. But unfortunately, when I get back into the market this week, I'm only just taking 1. Forget a runner. I don't want no runner. I just want to take my 1 trade because I don't have much wiggle room. Right now, my daily max loss, I actually avoided failing this challenge by like 40 bucks, like $39 and like 91 cents. I actually came short of actually failing this challenge, but I'm just grateful I actually still have a chance of being able to make my profit. But it's gonna be a mission, and it is what it is. So I'm just showing you guys this. I'm just gonna explain to y'all exactly what I was failing with and what I really struggled with the most. Mainly over trading. I couldn't just take my win and go, and I couldn't just take my loss and just leave, and I should have done that. And when I was placing trades, I was not even having to take profit. I was just setting my placing my trades and just hoping that it just keep going and going. Obviously, we all do know that market has to reverse and do some type of retracement and grab liquidity or whatnot, and I was not really for that. It is what it is. I'm just going to go ahead right now while I'm at it, just show you guys what I'm actually anticipating going to happen in the market this week before I continue what I was just explaining. All right, so right here I have this 4-hour order block. I'm not 4-hour, the 4-hour order block on EU, and price basically came down here and grabbed liquidity out, and then also it gave an entry, and I wanted to place this trade, and I think I did, and I ended up putting my stop loss at break even, and it wicked me out, and it continued to go my way. So it is what it is. So nevertheless, right now I'm anticipating some type of pullback right now on EU, maybe like on a small time frame, maybe like on a 2-hour. Price may come down to this order block right here. I'm sorry. Delete this, delete this, delete this. All right, price may possibly come back down to this order block right here for a long-term position. But me personally, I don't think that's gonna happen because, as you guys do know, the Silicon Valley Bank has went under. It felt extremely bad in this Saturday, which is the day USD coin plummeted nearly 10%. So I won't be surprised if, like, for example, with NAS, my NAS bias was, this was my NAS bias for next week. I have this order block. I was expecting price to go up, but I don't think price is gonna go up. I think price is gonna have its weight all the way down because of the USD coin. I think there's gonna be a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market, which create downward momentum. So that's my bias on NAS and EU. I told myself I'm only gonna stick to 3 pairs: EU, AU, and NAS. Other than that, anything else I don't really care about. Also, on my AUD USD trade, I think I did share this. Did I share this on my Instagram? I think I shared this on my Instagram. This buy to go up to here to this imbalance and for price to come back down. But it is what it is, man. As you guys can see right now, once again, my metrics does not look good. Looks horrible, and it's gonna be a tough mission. It's gonna be a tough mission. I'm not gonna give up right here. it is what it is. I'm gonna take the good with the bad, the ugly. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at the market right now. I'm gonna be giving you guys a little chat. I'm just chopping up with you guys really quick to be able to explain to you guys some things to avoid, some things I personally have to avoid. I also too started this composition book that I have, just start writing down my notes. Keep track of all my trades. I did originally started on Monday and I definitely fell completely off of it, went against my trading plan. Also ended up trading at work, trading on my way to work, things that I told myself I was not gonna do, I still did it. And I honestly believe that it's like we deal with this inner demon. Like I told my guy Marty V, shout out to Marty V, that it's like when we trade, it's like we dealing with another person, another individual within ourselves that has complete control. And it's really hard for us to battle this inner demon, and it only comes out when we trade. It's nothing that we deal with on an everyday basis. This is completely like an extreme level of greed, and it's crazy, it's just ridiculous. It doesn't make any sense how extreme it is, but I mean, it's a part of life. As for my girl right now, my girl, y'all for one time for my girl, I'm gonna have her Instagram right there down below in the bottom of my description. Please show some love to her channel. She is a motivational speaker and she is a Forex trader. And she does go live at times on her Instagram, so please tap in with her Instagram. I'm gonna have it all down there at the bottom of the description. But nevertheless, that's basically all I have for you guys. I'm not gonna make this video long, I'm just make it very short. This week, as you guys can see once again, metrics look horrible. Very ridiculous, man. I think I may pass it, but then again, I can possibly fail it because the odds are against me. I only have a total of like $2,000 I can lose. But nevertheless, that'll be it for this video, man. I hope you guys got something out of it. If you could please give me a like, subscribe to the channel. It would definitely help out with the YouTube algorithm. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. It will let me know if you guys tapped in. But nevertheless, that'll be it for the video. Until next time, you already know what it is. Deuces.